Welcome back as we begin to demonstrate wheel dressing and truing. After a new wheel has been fitted, or when the grinding surface has been worn out of shape, glazed, or when the abrasive has become clogged, then the working surface must be dressed to restore its shape, cutting efficiency, and true running. Dressing is achieved by using either a revolving cutter known as the Huntington dressing tool or a diamond-tipped dressing tool. Let us first demonstrate the use of the Huntington dresser. Firstly, the tool rest should be set such that the dressing tool can be slipped into position against the wheel face. The heel of the dressing tool acts as a guide and must be positioned against the inner edge of the tool rest platform. Ensure that the tool rest is firmly secured. Wear a full-face protective shield to ensure maximum personal safety. Switch on and allow the wheel to reach full speed. Slip the dressing tool into position from one side and move it straight across the face of the wheel. Notice how the dresser is held firmly with both hands. Enough pressure should be exerted against the wheel such that only very few sparks are evident. Pressure is made by lifting the handle upward. Move the tool slowly but positively across the full face of the wheel, maintaining an even pressure. If sparks are seen, then apply more pressure. After one or two passes, slip the dresser out and switch off. When the wheels have stopped without assistance, inspect the surface. It should be flat, straight, and have a clean, gritty appearance. Set the tool rest to the specified gap and rotate the wheel by hand in order that you may observe that it is running true. The wheel is now ready for service. After the practical break, we shall demonstrate the use of a diamond-tipped dresser.